Alright guys, so today we're going to take a look at the best cases from Spigen for the AirPods 4. Let's get right into it. Let's go to Spigen on Amazon real quick and let's see what they have. So seems like Spigen have around 3 cases for the AirPods 4. So let's first check out the rugged armor, which I know to be really good because I've tested this for the AirPods Pro 2 already. So I know this is a really good case. So I think I'll be getting this and testing it out on this channel. So as you can see, it's rugged armor. I believe this is the best case you could get for your AirPods from Spigen for protection. Like if you want the best protection from Spigen, this is the best case you should actually get for your AirPods. So I'll be getting this and I'll be testing this on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. So I'll add this to my cart real quick and then let's go back and see what else Spigen has to offer for the AirPods 4. So let's see. They have a hybrid. I remember testing this for the AirPods Pro 2 also. So I believe this is kind of like a transparent case, I believe. And it's pretty much very simple. Like you literally just get a clear case with a cover binder attached to it. Nothing too fancy. It's probably not the best case for protection, but it does get the job done. It's very simple, as you guys can see, nice and easy. I'll be getting this and also testing it out and see how good this case actually is. So let's also add this to my cart and let's go back and see what else Spigen has to offer. So they actually have an urban fit design for the AirPods 4. Oh my god. So I think for this one, I think I want to go with the mint. Is that like a mint green? Yeah, midnight green. So I think I might go with this one. I think this case looks really good. Like this is kind of like a fashion statement if you ask me. Like it's kind of minimal but also like a fashion statement. I really like it and I think that this is probably the best stylish case I've came across for the AirPods 4 so far. So I'm definitely gonna get this and test it out and see how secure it is and how good it looks in person. So I'll get this also to test it out for you guys. And I believe Spigen actually has a next case for the AirPods 4. So this is from their classic lineup. So here you can see you have it in tangerine, blue, graphite, and rugby, which is kind of like a red. The tangerine is currently like out of stock. I'm not sure if it's like sold out or something, but this looks actually good. But for me, I think I'll just go with I'll maybe go with the blue for now, either the blue or the red, but I think I'll go with the blue because I like blue more. Also, let me know in the comment section, is this a blue or is this a green? It kind of looks more green to me than a blue, but that's just me, that's just my eyes. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So yeah, I'll get this. It's kind of giving like a classic vibe, like one of those throwback vibe, those retro type tech. I think this was inspired from the iMac 3G, so that's why it looks kind of like an iMac 3G from back then. So yeah, I'll definitely pre-order this also. Ships in 20 business days. Wow. But I'll pre-order just for you guys, just to test it out and let you guys know my opinion. So those are all the cases for the AirPods 4 from Spigen at the moment. I believe Spigen might be coming out with some new AirPods 4 cases, but I'll let you guys know if I see any new AirPods 4 cases on the market. But that's pretty much it for what Spigen has to offer for the AirPods 4 cases. I'll be getting all these cases and I'll be testing them and reviewing them on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and stick around to that. And also please subscribe because we're almost near to 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. Also, I would love to know down below in the comment section which one of these cases from Spigen for the AirPods 4 would you get for yourself. Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's been it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm gonna be so broke after this. Wow, that's a lot of money. Wow.